Cameraman here, folks. We got a little junkie over here. We haven't seen him in a while. We got Junkman over here. And we got Stuntman over here. Now, we usually run a test on vehicles before we give them a beating. And folks, check out where we are. One of the old venues. Looks like a movie set, but it's not. Now, what's the story with this thing, Stuntman?
What's going on is, if you guys are real neutral droppers and not a bunch of phonies, you'll know that we had a white SC 300 before.
Ooh,
2JZ motor.
Ooh.
Get over here. Get over. And you watch out.
Wow, he's pushing this guy around. You better be careful.
Football player. I almost knocked him 8-9 feet.
Kid'll eat you for breakfast.
8-9 feet. I almost knocked him.
Oh, folks. It's got the 2JZ motor, folks. You like the high-pitched voice action?
Oh, shut up.
With the
Shut up. Let me
Wow,
tell you the
that was
problem
right in
that's
my
going
ear,
on
man.
right now. The last car we had, I think, was a 95. Junkman, do you remember? I don't remember. It was an older vehicle. This one is a newer vehicle. This vehicle. There's an H.
What is he calling it?
There's an H in vehicle.
Please step from the vehicle and put your hands on the hood.
There's an H in vehicle. So
Yeah,
the
you
other
don't
one,
pronounce the H, you
this
idiot.
one had, okay, it's vehicle. In tomato, do you pronounce the M? Yes, you do. You say tomato. We say.
Hold on, wait. Is it a Subaru Baja
Correct.
or a Hyundai Tuscan?
Correct. Correct.
Or is it a Honda?
Yeah, under.
An Honda or a Honda?
Under my nutsack. Well, now let's move on.
Oh my God, it's a family channel. What, Junkman, what is wrong with him?
I just
Do
want
we
to
kick him off?
let you know.
Yeah.
So everybody knows, but before we started this video, his vain son of a bitch pulled the mirror back and was fixing his camera. I wish I had my camera out. It was so embarrassing. Anyhow, I'm sorry.
The secondhand embarrassment.
Go ahead, Stunt. What were you saying?
The secondhand embarrassment's overwhelming. Go ahead.
I hope you're not having a laugh at my expense. Come out here working my ass off. Obviously, put the camera back on me where it should be. Obviously, we're having issues with. We're very close to LaGuardia's airport.
Yeah. Now, what's the story with this
Here's
thing?
the problem. I pre-tested the car. Okay. In the beginning of the neutral drop saga, whatever the hell you want to call what we do. Okay, I never pre-tested cars. I would just jump in. Now, because I care and love intimately all
I
my
didn't
neutral
ask
droppers,
you all that. Is it going to turn the tire? Yes or not?
It's going to turn.
Yes or not?
It's going to turn.
Yes or not?
It's going to. He's an asshole.
Yes or not?
It's going to turn it. You know what? The brotherly love is dissipating right now. Now I'm getting angry.
All right.
Hold on. Basically, he's having performance issues. and at his age, that's really sad. It's a good thing he's got kids that are grown.
Blue Chews, hit us up, Blue Chews. Hit us up, Blue Chews.
You're laughing at. You're 19. The fucking wind blows too hard, and this kid's getting a hard on.
Family channel.
Family Channel.
Family channel.
Oh,
We're gonna have to bleep that out. What, does this guy want to compete with me or something? I got competitors.
he's going to do a reversey. No mercy reversey.
All right, so what's going on is, being that this is a newer
That car
model.
smells like marijuana.
Being that this thing's a newer model. He almost hit my car. Being that this is a newer model, it does not have, it's got an anti-throw it into reverse. So basically, to me, Lexus put together what would be an anti-rocking horse thing. Because if this thing's rolling too fast, it locks me out of throwing it into reverse. Right? If I'm going forward, I pull it into drive.
When do I say shut up, everyone?
No, but I'm letting you guys know
What don't you
why the
understand?
performance
Shut
is going to suck.
or up?
So then, up. So when I throw it into drive, what happens is I throw it into drive, and it does not.
Do you always give this speech when you don't think
No,
you
I'm
perform?
explaining.
This is unbelievable.
Is this like the,
This is the I can't
is this the
perform
guilt trip?
speech.
Is this the guilt
This
trip?
is the I can't perform speech. Wow, he's all taking it all personal. Wow. Wow. Seatbelt for safety. Oh boy, oh boy.
I need my call.
What's it got, Stuntman? What? sad. Oh my goodness. Those are like rocking ponies right there. They're not rocking horses. Back it up into the oil, you idiot. Slowly. Slowly. Stop. All right. Pull it up a little bit. I don't even have my safe. Oh! Hold on a minute. Stuntman, I think that Junkman thinks you're not being safe. Now, did you back out of that donut?
I did pull back from the donut.
Oh my God.
You want to know why?
Why?
Because this idiot's got a stop sign.
So you feel
I'm thinking a car's driving by. Good fella's shirt on. He ain't no good fella tonight.
Oh man.
Now slow.
Back it up into the oil again.
We got more.
Slow. You know what? Stuntman has a very rare condition. I don't know if you guys know.
What?
It's called
Skinned and can't take it?
No, it's called LIS.
Oh yeah. what's
Okay,
that?
and he's got stage 4. Stop! Go forward a little bit. It's stage 4. A little more. It's called low intelligence syndrome. This poor thing.
I'm not happy.
What do you have to say for yourself?
Honestly, guys, I think you might get a Blue Chew sponsorship out of this video. I'm having trouble.
No, what I can say is that once again the channel is giving me a bad performing car and I should leave.
Wait a minute. All right, get back in here and see if you can explode these tires. This vehicle is sad, folks. We can't even get pizza toppings out of this. All right, get in the oil.
Sucks.
Pop the tires. Keep your head in the car this time, you idiot! Stepping back. Oh! I hear sizzling. Keep your head in the car, you moron! Oh! Whoa! That's one side, folks! All right, you may have redeemed yourself.
Bring on all comers is what I have to say.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow, look at the
You made up
brakes.
for it.
Look at the brakes.
Oh, a little glowing.
Hey, you gave it a heart attack. Look.
Oh, look at that. She's got a green boogery nose. A nice green boogery nose. What about the other tire? Don't be a loser. You got another tire left here.
I have another tire left.
You have another tire.
These are shavings.
How dare you leave a tire unblown out? We got flamage! Oh, 100%. Go, hold this. Don't fucking knock it out.
Apparently we have fire. Fireman, cameraman, look at him.
This is what the first time we didn't like have the fire extinguishers ready.
Who the hell told me to blow up the second tire?
Flaming still?
I don't know. Is it flaming, folks? What do you guys see?
Yeah, it's still flaming.
It is flaming.
Open the hood.
You gotta go towards the back. It seems like it's further back.
Yeah, it's like the drive shaft.
The drive shaft is flaming?
What the fuck?
Is it good? Is it out?
Is it flaming? We don't know.
Yes, it's out. It's out. It's out.
It's out?
What'd you call it? Sure. We got bottle throwers. It's definitely out?
Yeah, it's out. It's out.
I think so.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, what we're gonna do is pull this off to the side and let her cool down. You know what? Don't put it too close to the shops.
Like right here in the middle.
Now, which extinguisher did I just use up?
Well, to be the one with the arrow that went down.
This one. I would have to say that's a job well done. You took it to the limit.
No performance issues at the end.
No.
At the end, you came on
No
strong.
more Blue Chew
It's
sponsorship.
well,
We lost the Blue Chew sponsorship over this?
No, the Blue Chewy kicked in.
Yes. Did you take a Blue Chew when we weren't
Yes, I
looking?
did.
Stuntman? Did you? Folks, I mean, all right, I take it back. We do have our pizza toppings here. Yes, we do. Wow. All right, I'm gonna have
Can I
to
make
call
a
this.
note? My brother's an idiot because he's the one that said go for the second tire, which caused the tire fire.
You know,
Why would that make me an
You're
idiot?
starting to sound like a lot of people on the news not taking any blame.
That it's everybody
always
else's
somebody
fault.
Yeah. I
Oh,
didn't do this.
someone else's
I didn't do
fault.
that. It was the person before me that did it. I mean, come on.
Sure.
Really? Who's driving the car?
It's your fault because you were here and you jinxed me because you had a Goodfellas shirt on.
Ooh, what?
But you wanted this. You wanted
He's
this.
right.
Joe
You wanted
Pesci.
this.
Joe Pesci, the man.
You gotta love it.
Joe Pesci.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, hit that bell. Ding, ding, ding. Hit the bell notification. Subscribe if you haven't already. I don't know who wouldn't. I mean,
Hey, check out Junkman's Paradise.
check out Junkman's
I don't have a lot of
Paradise.
videos, guys, but they're there. Check it out.
All right, and we are out.